This goes into the B-roll. B-roll of buff birds. Buff birds. Buff birds. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Huh, yeah, yeah. Okay. I am here to make you feel motivated. Point at the camera. Buff birds. There will be a dancing class held by my wife. We're gonna call it Triller Size. Ooh, we can't call it Zumba. Bands, so excited. Bands, 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 band. Birds.com and check out all of the social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I'm not on TikTok, dance workout class that we're gonna call Triller Size. Guys, it's gonna be hosted by my wife, Allison Petrillo. If you find this video in 200 years, yes, I am clinically insane. I know that some days are harder than others. I know that some days are harder than others. Your workouts, but I promise when you work with me, I will make sure that it is a fun, interesting time. Sure, let's just watch what we got. Bye. Yeah, that was fun. That's a wrap. Call